Yes.
So I'm just drawing number line. You tell me which it is, x or y axis. I'm drawing it. You tell me it is which axis. This is which axis?
X.
X, correct. And this one?
Y.
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 Y. What are this point of intersection? What is point of intersection called?
Origin.
Origin.
Its coordinate are 0, 0.
Yes.
Yes.
Correct. Right side is positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive.
Right side is positive. Correct. Left side?
Negative.
Negative.
Negative. Above? Positive?
Positive.
Below? Negative. What is this part called as?
Quadrant.
Quadrant.
Very good. This is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Now, okay.
Yes.
What is this called as? Line passing through origin.
Yes.
What will be its slope? Is it tan theta?
Yes.
You know this in maths. Tan theta is called slope.
Yes.
Yes, sir. It is not.
Okay. So slope means tangent of angle made by line with x-axis, positive x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. I'm showing you 2 points on the line. Which has x coordinate x1, y coordinate y1. This is x2 and y coordinate y2. What will be this horizontal distance between these two? I'm just drawing one line. Huh? Just look. How much will be this distance? Can you tell what will be that distance?
Y2 minus Y1.
No, this horizontal distance, PM. X2 minus X1. No?
Yes.
Yes.
X2 minus X1. And what will be Q1?
Y2 minus
Y1.
Y1.
Correct. Are these two lines parallel?
Yes.
Yes.
So these two angles are congruent, na? Corresponding angle. This theta and this theta will be same, na? Corresponding angle.
Yes.
Yes.
Now tell me what is tan theta. Can I say QM upon PM, which is Y2 minus Y1 upon X2 minus X1? That means change in Y coordinate upon change in X coordinate. Correct? Hello?
So not understood. Can you explain once again?
See, slope you all told we know, that means it is tan theta.
Yes.
So if I take 2 point anywhere and draw a line parallel to x-axis, so this will be also theta or not?
Yes.
Tan theta means, can I say then opposite side QM upon adjacent side PM by definition of tan?
Yes.
So it is nothing but Y2 minus Y1 upon X2 minus X1 or not?
Yes. Understood.
So Y2 minus Y1 means change in Y, na? Y2 minus Y1.
Yes, sir.
Change in Y, na? Change in Y, okay? Change in Y, we write dy. And X2 minus X1 is what? Change in X, na? That we write
Yes.
dx. That we write dx. And this is called as derivative in our maths or in physics, derivative. So dy by dx is called derivative. That means what? Slope. That means what? Ratio of change in y to the change in x. Any doubt in this concept so far?
No, sir.
What
No,
is
sir.
meaning of derivative? Tell. Slope. And what is meaning of slope? Tan of theta. And what is tan theta? Change in y coordinate upon change in x coordinate. So if I say like this, derivative of y means change in y with respect to x. Am I correct?
Yes.
Derivative of y means change in y with respect to x, which is nothing but tan theta, which is nothing but y coordinate upon x coordinate ka change. Yes, Girija followed? Tanvi, Girija,
Yes, sir.
Vani, everybody is followed? Raj,
Yes, sir.
Ishan?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please draw the diagram, write this. Hello? 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 Yeah? Yes? No, I'm not looking for any property and I had not called also. And I had not checked. This is actually part of one chapter, second chapter, mathematical tool. And in maths, you will study in detail as a derivative. So whenever we have to find derivative, that means indirectly slope, change in y coordinate upon change in x coordinate.
This concept is the first lesson or second lesson?
Who is saying this, beta?
Me, Shravan.
Shravan, this is second chapter. And
Okay.
it will be useful everywhere.
Okay.
Gandhar is new, no? So I started this basic. This will be useful in third also, fourth also, everywhere. This Monday you have, can I take your class in the morning?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
at
sir.
what time?
Yes.
No, actually we have 3:30 slot, na?
Yes.
So if I keep bit early, will it be okay for you all?
Okay.
Means around 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
Will
Yes,
be too
sir.
early? 9 o'clock will be
Yes.
early? 9 o'clock you'll be able to manage? 9 to 10? Morning?
Yes.
Sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Chalo, for this Monday, morning we'll get up. 9 to 10. Morning. Once you're done, please tell me. So we got idea derivative is nothing but slope, which is change in y coordinate upon change in x coordinate. You can tell, don't chat, tell, because then I have to go to that. It creates a trouble. Shall I clear it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. See, every time we will have graph as a straight line only, or sometimes it can be Wakada line.
Not
It-
always a straight line.
So sometimes it can be curve also, no?
Yes.
Yes.
So if it is curve, then somebody says, "Sir, how to find slope it is making with a line? कौन सा एंगल बोलो? ये तो एक इधर अलग आएगा, कुछ एंगल इधर अलग ऐसा ना? If it is straight line, then if you draw parallel, everywhere angle is same, na? Same. Not followed, I think. This is straight line. Then if I draw parallel to x-axis, parallel to x-axis, parallel to x-axis, these all angles are same, no?
Yes.
But if
Yes.
this is curve, now this is not y-axis. Everywhere it will be different. It is not a line only. Then how to get slope? Because you said angle made by line with x-axis is slope, but this is not a line. So for curve, wherever you want slope, suppose at point P you want slope, you will draw tangent to that line. What to draw?
And
Tangent means what? Line touching or line cutting?
Touching.
Line touching.
Touching.
Yes. So it will make some angle with x-axis. So for
Yes.
this point, you can take any 2 points on this line and take y coordinate upon x coordinate ka change, or directly I can say this is suppose theta 1, then tan theta 1 will be slope of change in y coordinate at P to that at x coordinate at P. Not followed.
Sir, can you explain again?
I said if it is line, then everywhere line will make with x-axis same angle. So slope will be same because theta is same. Tan theta same. But for curve it will be different because curve is not a line. Now I want slope. Suppose here I want slope of this curve at this point Q. This is not line. Had it been line, then directly this angle ka tan, this angle ka tan is slope. So I will draw tangent at that point, which is line. I will draw tangent here. It will touch x-axis somewhere, no? So if I call this angle as theta 2, then tan theta 2 is nothing but slope at Q. Not followed.
Follow, sir.
So once again, one more I'm showing. One more. This is y-axis. This is x-axis. If it is line, then everywhere slope is same. But if it is curve, then slope will be different. If it is curve, so at this point, we want slope at PQR. Then we draw tangent at those points. Tangent means line touching at P. Extend it, it will cut x-axis. Same way when you draw to Q, it will touch x-axis. Cut the x-axis at some different point. If I draw at R, again it will cut x-axis at different point. So this angle is suppose theta 1, this is theta 2, this is theta 3. Are all same or different?
different.
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 Definitely their slope will be different, na? Because their tangent will be different. So tan
Yes.
of theta 1 will be less than tan of theta 2 will be less than tan of theta 3 because theta 1 is less than theta 2 less than theta 3. So how will you find slope for a curve? By drawing tangent at that point. So different point will give you different tangent. Now draw this diagram. We don't have much in detail in our physics, but in one chapter you will get find slope, or if they say if voltage and current is this way diagram, this graph, then what is resistance at different point. So if you know resistance is voltage upon current, so it will give slope at different point. If you are done, please guide me, huh?
Done, sir.
Okay. Again, x-axis, y-axis. This is one graph. Then this point is maximum or minimum?
Maximum.
Maximum, correct. If I bring get something less, then it increases. Now this point, can I say minimum?
Yes.
Yes.
I want to find slope at that minimum and maximum point. How to get slope on a curve? By drawing tangent. By drawing tangent. What is the angle made by tangent at P with x-axis? What is the angle made by tangent with x-axis at P? Is it 0 degree? X parallel now?
Yes.
So it will be
Yes.
tan 0 or not? That means slope
Yes.
at P is 0. So wherever it is maximum, always slope will be what? 0. What will be slope at Q? Tell.
0.
0.
Yes, very important for physics. So slope at maximum point or minimum point is always what? 0.
0.
Yes, copy this third and fourth. And remember, slope at maximum, I will write somewhere afterwards. Just
It is 0 because it is parallel to x-axis.
if parallel to x-axis, no angle. No angle means 0 angle. And 0 is 0.
Done, sir.
Okay. Everybody has done?
Done, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1 second. Huh? See. Now, after getting idea that derivative is nothing but slope, and for maximum or minimum, slope is 0. We will write this as a note. So whenever in sometimes they can ask, find for what value force is maximum or minimum. So its derivative for that value should become 0. Note. Now I'm giving you some formulas for derivative, because every time we will not draw graph. We will have generally equations. So we need some formula for derivative. First formula, in fact, all are important. Y is x raised to n. See, I'm writing formula. I'm not deriving formula. In maths, you have derived this formula. So, formula for derivative of y with respect to x is power becomes multiplier nx raised to n minus 1. Write this formula. And in your mind, you revise derivative of y equal to x raised to n is nx raised to n minus 1. Power becomes multiplier, power becomes multiplier, power becomes multiplier, and decreases by 1 and decreases by 1. That is formula. Formula for y equal to x raised to n is dy by dx equal to power becomes multiplier, and decreases by 1. So nx raised to n minus 1. Written?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, based on this formula, few sums will do. That means power becomes multiplier. Y is x raised to 2. So dy by dx is 2 x raised to 2 minus 1. That means n x raised to n minus 1. So dy by dx is 2x. I hope you followed application.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right, first one. Very slowly I'm going. Till 5th chapter, very slow. Then we can pick up the speed, because by that time your physics will become very strong. Complete first one.
Done, sir.
If I write y equal to 3, is it constant or variable?
Constant.
So y
Constant.
equal to 3 means like this, huh? Parallel to x-axis.
Yes.
What will be slope?
0.
So derivative of constant is always 0, because nothing can change. Y is constant. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So what is change? No change. That's for 0. If you go by formula method, x I have not got. So can I say x raised to 0? Can you write 3 as 3x raised to 0?
Yes.
Yes.
Now x raised to 0 means power becomes multiplier. 0 minus 1, 0 into 3 is 0, 0 into x raised to minus 1, 0. But who will do this complicated directly? Constant ka derivative 0. I want your help now. This is somewhat similar to this, na? Only that 3 has come as multiplier, na? Correct? Hello?
Yes.
So 3 is just a number as it is multiplier. What is x square ka derivative? 2x.
2x 2 minus 1.
Directly I wrote 2 minus 1 is 1. Now I understood. Na? So can I say it is 6x?
Yes.
Okay. Do.
Sir,
That okay. Each please practice minimum 5 times today at home so that all formula and concept will become perfect. Y equal to x raised to 5. I will wait for your answer. Let me see who is doing.
Sir, 5x raised to 4.
Yes, absolutely right. 5x raised to 4. Perfect. Perfect.
So we don't have to expand it.
No, that's it. That's it. 5x raised to 4. Bas, khatam. Now tell me this one. Again, I will wait for your answer.
7x raised to
7x
6.
raised to 6. 7x raised to 6.
Correct. So now you got neck of this formula. I've written as not multiplier but sum of 3 plus x squared. So treat that as individual term. What is 3 ka derivative? 0
0.
Yes.
plus x square ka derivative 2x.
Yes.
So final answer will become 2x. Okay.
When it is multiplier, we have to consider it. But when it is
No, so multiplier means it is single term. Na? 3x is one term. It is not two term. 3 plus x is one term plus one term. Na?
okay.
Done, sir.
Okay. Y equals to root x. Root means what is power?
Half.
Half.
1 by
1 by 2.
By 2.
Now it is like our original method. Power becomes multiplier and gets reduced by 1. So can I say half x raised to minus half?
Yes.
How to make minus half as plus half? Reciprocal?
By Yes.
And power half means root x. X raised to half means root x.
Yes.
So 1 upon 2 root x. Correct?
Yes.
So you have this now, you have to keep in your mind. Frequently it will come in maths, in physics. Root x comes directly. I will not write all this now. I will write derivative of root x 1 upon 2 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 root x. After knowing concept, I have added this. Derivative of root x 1 upon 2 root x 1 upon 2 root x 1 upon 2. You will also remember this. Complete. What is derivative of root x? 1 upon 2 root x 1 upon 2 root x 1 upon 2 root x.
Seven.
Okay. Can anybody tell now? If you can recollect, what is derivative of root x?
1
1
upon 2
upon
root
2
One
root
upon
x.
two.
1 upon 2 root x. Correct. Tanvi,
Yes, sir.
any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. I have y equal to minus half, which is same as 1 upon root x. इसका डेरिवेटिव चाहिए अभी बोलो. Power minus half. What will be derivative? Minus half x raised to minus half minus 1. So minus half x raised to minus 3 by 2. That is minus half into 1 upon x raised to 3 by 2. That is nothing but minus half into 1 upon. Can I say this is x root x? Can I? This can I write x root x? No? Say x raised to 3 by 2 means what? X raised to 3 ka power half na? So it is x square into x ka power half, no? That means it is x square half into x ka power half na? This will get cancelled, so it becomes x root x. Not followed?
No, sir.
अरे तो मैथ्स है ना. X raised to 3 by 2. So can I write this as x square into x or not? Tell me.
Yes.
Now can I write this as x square का power half into x का power half? तो ये तो कैंसिल हो गया. So x and ये half मतलब root x. अब इसको देखो power 1 और ये power half 1 plus half मतलब 3 by 2 ना.
Understood.
Everybody has followed now?
Yes.
Because sometimes na in option they will not give you x raised to 3 by 2, but they will give x root x. So x raised to 3 by 2 is nothing but what? X root x. Yes, clear? Dhwani?
Yes, sir.
X raised to 3 by 2 is x root x. Any doubt? Girija?
No, sir.
Echan? Raj?
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
Solve.
Sir, done.
Okay. Like root x 1 upon 2 root x, I told Bahar. Same way this also will Bahar. Y is 1 upon x, which you can write in power form x raised to minus 1. What will be dy by dx? Minus 1 x raised to minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 x raised to minus 2. So minus 1 into 1 upon x raised to 2. Correct? Correct, huh?
Yes, sir.
Which I can also write as in simple format minus 1 upon x square. So two derivatives I have Bahated. One is derivative of root x 1 upon 2 root x and derivative of 1 upon x minus 1 upon x square. So whenever it comes, I will not simplify. I will keep in my mind this two derivative ka direct answer and do my sum quickly. Minus 1 upon x square. So once again, I'm writing as note these two. Y is root x, derivative is 1 upon 2 root x. Y is 1 upon x, derivative is minus 1 upon x square. First you copy till I wala and this and write as note.
These only values are there, or
Pardon?
there are more. So
No,
these only values are there.
no,
There
no, this two will Bahar. There are many, but Baki will get by formula.
are.
Sir, done.
Okay. Second one type y equals to e raised to x, y equal to log of x, and y equal to a root x. This will not have formula of x raised to n wala, but different formula. dy by dx का formula is e raised to x. Log x का derivative is 1 by x, and dy by dx is a raised to x log. These are three independent. E raised to x का e raised to x, log of x का 1 by x, a raised to x, a raised to x log. Copy this three.
Sir, done.
Derivative of trigonometric function. This all please practice 5 times. These are formulas. How many trigonometric function you know?
Trigonometric function means,
Oh, who is this? Trigonometric function means?
sir, we are not taught this.
No, but who is this
Sir,
telling you?
Shravan.
Shravan. Okay, Shravan. In 10th, you had trigonometry. In 10th, you had trigonometry.
Yes.
So any equation which will have that trigonometry is trigonometric function.
Okay.
Like sine.
Formulas means sine theta plus.
So
Okay.
if you say y equal to sin x, मतलब y is trigonometric function. Sin आ गया ना ऐसा.
Okay.
हाँ, जैसा अगर मैं बोलूं y equal to ax square plus 3x plus 2, then it is algebraic function. If I say
Okay.
logarithmic function. So in this way, how many trigonometry ratio you know? How many trigonometric ratio you know?
Six.
Pardon? 3? Somebody said 3?
Sir, six.
Sir is not 6. Trigonometric functions are 6.
Yes.
Correct. So one is sin x, no. Other is cos x, no.
Yes.
Tan x, na. Then sin ka ulta is what?
Cot. Cosec.
Sin,
Cosec.
sin
Cosec.
cosec. And cos ka ulta?
Sec. Sec.
And tan ka ulta?
Cot.
So we will have now 6 formula of trigonometric function. One by one we'll see. Heading you all wrote? Derivative of trigonometric.
Yes.
चलो अब एक एक करके फॉर्मूला लिखता हूँ. बट देखो आपको थोड़ा मेहनत है ये बाहर करने के लिए. y is sin x. dy by dx equal to. This will come in our third chapter, kinematics, everything. This application. And separately, the college will ask numericals on this because we have one chapter called mathematical tools. Sin x का derivative cos x. अभी आप पूछो मत कैसा ये फॉर्मूला है. किसको पूछने का मैथ्स में सर बताओ ना कैसा आया ये. वो सर will have proof because there you have proof for 4 marks. Show that derivative of sin x cos x. And I have only picked formula and behind it. That is physics. What is cos x ka derivative? I know formula. From maths, it is minus sin x. What is derivative of sin? Cos. Derivative of sin? Cos. Derivative of sin? You all say now. What is it?
Cos.
And derivative of cos?
Minus
Minus
sin.
Minus sin.
Correct. Y is tan of x. Derivative of tan is sec square x. एकदम भलता ही आ गया कुछ. Sec square x. Copy this 3. Sin cos, cos minus sin, tan is sec square x. Copy 3. Yes, Gandhar. हेलो गंधार.
यस सर. यस सर.
हाँ ये फिजिक्स ही है, नहीं तो आप बोलेंगे सर लेक्चर फिजिक्स मैथ्स क्यों. फिजिक्स में भी
नहीं,
मैथ्स
नहीं.
आता है. हाँ
पता है कैलकुलस.
अरे अरे वाह सही. आपका कैलकुलस हो गया है क्या पढ़ा के.
हाँ.
ओके. हाउ मच यू गॉट इन 10th? 100%?
नो.
Then 99?
78%. नो.
78?
78%.
अच्छा,
यस.
नहीं यार ना अभी 97 लेके आऊँ 12th में. 78 का मजा नहीं आता ना बोलने के लिए.
श्योर. आई विल ट्राई.
Yes, you should. And I will help you if you are working hard.
यस. श्योर सर.
Okay,
श्योर
right.
सर. थैंक यू.
Best luck. Written this 3. Sin का cos, cos का minus sin, tan का sec.
Yes. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Cot x का derivative is minus cosec square x. Write this also. So 4 we wrote. Now second cosec is pending.
Sir, done.
Done? Okay. y equal to sec x. Its derivative is sec x tan x. And if it is cosec x, then its derivative will be minus of cosec x cot x. So write this much.
This is useful in physics, trigonometry.
This two will not be required in physics much. Only sine cos will require maximum.
Okay.
But as a practice, I gave all the formula. But this all you will do in maths. In fact, it will become very easy for you. For us, maximum sine cos comes.
Okay.
Sir,
Maths. Pardon?
how often is this used?
This I will tell you. This will be used out of 500 some, only 3-4 sums. Happy?
Yes.
Yes. Have you performed any time operation with maths? Don't say, sir, we are engineer, we are not doctors. How we are going to perform operation? That's why I told maths mein operation have you performed? Have you performed operation in maths? Anybody has performed?
Solving sums, right?
Adding is one operation.
Yes.
Subtracting is another operation. Multiplication is operation. ये कोबरा कौन सा ऑपरेशन है? ये भी कुछ ऐसा है क्या मैथ्स में कोबरा? इसको बोलते हैं इंटीग्रेशन. ये कौन सा ऑपरेशन है? इंटीग्रेशन ऐसा आ गया था. व्हाट इज दिस कॉल्ड?
Integration.
हाँ, ऐसा आ गया मतलब क्या ऑपरेशन? ऐसा कोई तो लिख दिया मतलब क्या?
डेल्टा
हाँ, मतलब मीनिंग क्या है इसका? चेंज इन वाई.
चेंज.
ऐसा लिखा तो भी मीनिंग क्या है? चेंज.
Changing.
ऐसा लिख दिया तो
एडिशन.
Addition.
करेक्ट. ये
सब्ट्रैक्शन.
ये
मल्टीप्लिकेशन.
ये
डिवीजन.
हाँ, तो ये 4 ऑपरेशन आएगा आपको इन डेरिवेटिव. एडिंग टू टर्म्स, सब्ट्रैक्टिंग, मल्टीप्लाइंग, डिवाइडिंग. चलो एक एक करके देखते हैं. Operations in derivatives. Is the college starting from 17th of August or postponed it?
Postponed.
That means you watch news also. So I don't think that before Diwali they will start your level. So are you understanding this pattern? Actually in 10th also you might have done. Are you understanding this properly? The way it is done with you? Raj, समझ रहा है बराबर ये?
Means what?
Yes, sir.
No, I
Yes.
said, see, we are doing virtual lectures. मतलब ऑनलाइन
Yes.
ना. समझ तो रहा है लेकिन मजा नहीं आ रहा ना इतना.
Yes.
तो 3-4 महीना और रुकना पड़ेगा, फिर मजा आएगा. और बट वी कांट हेल्प इट ना. विदाउट मजा वी हैव टू डू दिस. क्योंकि अभी छोड़ देंगे तो बाद में सजा हो जाएगा. dy by dx. It is addition subtraction. तो it is like first term का derivative is added subtracted with दूसरा term. This is simple operation. If addition subtraction, derivative will also get added subtraction. You will say, sir, how? See, if y is 3x plus 4x square, how many terms you can see? 2 na? So first term ka derivative, is it 3? Is it 3? Hello?
Yes.
Plus, is it 8x?
Yes.
This is how we are going to do. Means you are adding two variables, same method. In between plus will come. Copy first operation. Written?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Second one, product. U into V, product. In this rule is U का derivative with respect to x, V as it is, बाद में U as it is और V का derivative, ये रूल है. मतलब ये इसका डेरिवेटिव, इसको कुछ मत करना, प्लस इसका डेरिवेटिव, इसको कुछ मत करना. Write formula, then one example I am giving. Formula write down. Return formula. फर्स्ट
Yes,
का
sir.
डेरिवेटिव, सेकंड को कुछ नहीं, प्लस फर्स्ट वाला एज इट इज, सेकंड का डेरिवेटिव, देयर इज प्रोडक्ट वाला रूल. सो एग्जांपल विल सी. इफ y is x sin x, in this case who is u and who is v? This is
U
u
is
ना.
X.
हाँ, तो x का डेरिवेटिव इज 1, मतलब v को लिखा, x का डेरिवेटिव लूंगा, फिर x को ऐसे रखा, sin का डेरिवेटिव लूंगा. ये रूल है अपना. What is derivative of x? Is it 1? And derivative of sine, is it cos? So my answer is sin x plus x cos x. Okay. Hello.
Yes.
I did just the formula. X का derivative, sin को nothing, plus x को as it is, sin को derivative. One more operation is there. Division wala, till this it is successful. So after showing you derivative of division, we will stop today. Next class we'll do at least 10-20 sums on this, so that you will get confidence of use of the formula. Shall I remove this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Last operation for the day. Division. In multiplication, we added. In division, subtraction. So first, don't do anything to v. इसको ऐसे ही रखो. U का derivative. Then don't add, minus. U derivative of v. But here there is one bonus, upon v square. Light tension है. U upon v, v as it is, u का derivative, minus u as it is, v का derivative upon x square. So I will stop today here, revise everything. Next class I will solve at least 25 sums based on this formulas.
Sir, are you not giving an example for this?
I thought next lecture I will give overdose हो जाएगा ना.
Okay.
Can I clear this now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, everybody has understood everything. Say enjoy your work, then you'll understand. Nothing is very difficult to